Welcome back to the podcast. I want to start today's episode with a simple question, and I want you to pay attention to what your intuitive and first instinctual answer for this question is for you. Are you ready? Okay, my question for you is what you want actually possible? What was the answer that just came in? If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Flora, certified simplification coach and 7-time author. And for over 27 years, I've been helping women like you align into a life and a business that you are wildly obsessed with by helping you clear out the 9 types of clutter keeping you from a life that you love. And one of those types of clutter is mental clutter, and that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. Now, mental clutter isn't just a bunch of random thoughts. It's also doubt, it's indecision, as well as limiting beliefs. And these things can keep you stuck. This is that running script that's in your mind that tells you what's possible and what isn't possible. So again, let's start with this question. Is what you want actually possible? Really think about that. When you picture the life and the business that you want, do you truly believe that what you want is within reach for you? Because here's the thing. If your mind is cluttered with thoughts like, I don't know if I can do this, this might not work for me, maybe I don't have what it takes, or there's all these other limiting beliefs, then your actions or your lack thereof are going to reflect those beliefs. Now, if you've been following me for any amount of time, you know that mental clutter can be very, very sneaky. It can disguise itself as logic and be like, oh, I'm just playing it safe and I'm waiting for the right time. But in reality, mental clutter, what it actually does is it keeps you stuck and it keeps you from even trying, or it keeps you busy doing those things that won't move the needle closer to what you want and will keep you treading water at where you're currently at. Now, I want you to get really, really honest. Think about what you want but don't have yet. Why haven't you gotten it? I want you to list the reasons out one by one. Pull out your journal. What do you want? Boom, this is what I want. What are the reasons why you haven't gotten this yet? And I want you to literally list out every single reason why you haven't gotten it. And maybe it'll sound like, well, I don't have enough time, or I tried before and I couldn't do it. I just couldn't figure out a way to make it work. Or it was too risky, or maybe I'm not, again, these are the classic limiting beliefs. I'm not smart enough, I'm not good enough, I'm not ready enough, I need another credential, all the things. And I want you to pause and ask yourself, when I look at this list of reasons why I haven't gotten the thing that I say that I truly, truly want, I want you to ask yourself, whose beliefs are these? Whose beliefs are these? Who does this belief or each of these beliefs belong to? Is it your belief? Did your parents tell you that success requires struggle, or that it's hard to make money, or it's hard to do this? Did a teacher make you doubt your intelligence? Did a partner or a friend make you feel like your goals were oh, that's so unachievable, or that's so unrealistic? What? Why would you even want that? And make you kind of feel like shit for wanting what you want. I've got many episodes where we talk about just wanting what you want and not justifying to others our desires and our wants. Mental clutter oftentimes isn't even our own. It's borrowed thoughts, it's outdated conditioning, and it's also stories from the past that we've claimed as our own over time. But what if you didn't have to carry these thoughts anymore? What if you didn't have to carry these stories? What if you didn't have to carry these excuses? What if there were no excuses? I want you to imagine waking up tomorrow with a completely decluttered mind, okay? No excuses, no second guessing, just a belief that what you want is yours. And just a belief in your own ability to achieve whatever it is, whatever the heck you want. What would you do differently? What would you stop waiting for? What action would you start taking? I want you to write those things down as well, okay? Because mental clutter tells you what you need. Well, you need more time, or you need more money, or you need more experiences before you can move forward. But what if the only missing thing was the belief that what you want is possible? That's it. There's a fabulous quote by Tony Robbins that I just absolutely love, and he says, "It's not the lack of resources, it's the lack of resourcefulness that keeps us stuck." Today, I challenge you to start to clear out some of your mental clutter around what it is that you want. So again, you've already got your journal out. You've written down what you actually want. That's number one. Number two, why haven't you gotten this yet? Why haven't you achieved this yet? Write all of those things down. Number three, whose belief is this? Did someone tell me I wasn't talented enough to achieve this? And that is my excuse. Well, so-and-so said that who is that person? What did they achieve? Okay, challenge those beliefs. And then number four, I want you to choose one of those beliefs to rewrite. Okay, so instead of saying, well, I'm not ready, say, I have everything I need to take the first step. Instead of saying, well, I never seem to have enough time, say, I make time for what matters most, or I make time for my priorities. When you're decluttering your mind and this mental clutter, what you do is you start to create space for possibility. And once you start to actually see possibility, like, oh my gosh, this might be possible for me, literally everything changes. So let me know in the comments, what's one belief that you're ready to rewrite today? To help you out with this, I've opened up spots in my calendar for complimentary clutter review sessions. So click the link in the description to book your session now. Also, if you found today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know every single time an episode is released. And if you have a topic that you'd like to see me cover, go ahead and email me, flora@florasage.com, and let me know what you would like my help with. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.